Hi, this is Janelle Frank for Hays State University for the AEP 880 VB Biases assignment. I'm going to be teaching about race. Step 1, you need to establish a safe environment in your classroom. Students are going to feel more safe to express their ideas on race and ethnicity. Have an established classroom expectations in the room. This way they understand what needs to be presented and how it needs to be presented. Talk about respect daily. We need to show respect for all of our students, no matter race, creed, color, nationality. Establish daily habits and visual schedules about having different races in our school. And create an environment to talk about it makes powerful learning experiences for all of the students in your class. Step 2, do not silence the theme of race or ethnicity. Make sure it is brought up to talk about. Don't hide it. Don't silence it. That is only going to create animosity in your classroom. Don't ignore it. Any avoidance speaks volumes tremendously in a classroom based on this. And admitting their race and validates them. You need to make sure that you're respectful of the race and be proud of it. Step 3, investigate the misconceptions and misinformations on race. Decide what the parameters of the conversation is going to be. Give the students time to investigate the race, and these are great teachable moments for project-based learning. Yes, you do need to talk about race in your classroom. And use I statements that focus on actions and impacts. Step 4, race will come up frequently in your classroom. Make sure you keep talking about it completely. It will not be done with one conversation. Be open and mindful of talking about it throughout the entire year, and create planned activities for students to share. Step 5, awareness is vital. Actions do speak louder than words, and it creates a greater impact on students if you are not talking about it. Stay up to date on all the trends with all the race. Create opportunities in your classrooms to move from awareness of it to action. Promote the values in your classroom and create a vision for equity and inclusion for all students of different race. These are my references, and I hope that you have enjoyed my presentation for your classroom. It is important to talk about race and everything that we do.